Hey guys, how you doing? This is Epson WorkForce complete quality adjustment. Initialization complete. When you install the ink, the next thing is load the paper and move on to print quality adjustment. Select to adjust. Align the printer to get the best print quality. You can do this later on or adjust now is recommended, so I will adjust it now. Perform a print head nozzle check to check print quality. Select print. Load A4 size paper to nozzle check pattern. Select print. Okay, so this is the nozzle check pattern printed out. Okay, check the pattern and select the closer. Okay, now align print position to fix misalignment and banding. Print letter or adjust now. Select adjust now. Perform a 3-type alignment in order. Load 3 sheets of A4 paper, plain paper. Select OK. Print alignment pattern 1 of 3. Select print. Okay, there we go. This is the first one. Now the next thing to do is when you look from this print out, you need to key into the pattern. So it's showing us number 1. So if you look at number 1, choose the square with the fewest strokes. Okay, so I would select number 7. Use the plus or minus to put the number. Okay, so once you've done that, then you select proceed to number 2. Okay, then it will take you to number 2. Then you look on the image here. This is number 2. Okay, number 2, I will select number 6 for it. Then use plus or minus to select the number. Then select proceed to number 3. Then look on the number 3 and select the number. Select number 7. Select proceed to number 4. Then look number 4 here and select the number 7. Then proceed to number 5. Look on the number 5 and select. Okay, select 6. Okay, then proceed to number 6. So number 6, I will select number 7 for it. Select proceed. Okay, now the next step is print alignment pattern page 2 of 3. Select print. So now it's printing the page 2. Now this is the print out here. Then you need to select check. This is number 1 and number 2. Okay, select the pattern that show no gap or dark line. So if you check the pattern that shows no gap or dark line, we'll select number 7 for it. Then select proceed to number 2. The sentence is applicable. Check the pattern that show no gap or dark line. Select number 6. Select proceed. Okay, then print alignment pattern, page 3 of 3. Select print. So this is how to do this step-by-step process. Now, from this printout, okay, choose the rectangles that are not separated or overlap. So when you look on this, you select the one that are not separated or overlap. Select number 7. Select proceed. Print head alignment complete. You can now adjust again from maintenance. Select OK. Okay. Select the size of paper and type of paper source. Select OK. Now what we loaded here is A4 paper, and can see it's showing us A4 paper and plain paper, and it's from the casket. Select OK. Okay. Now fax setup. You can set the fax later on. If you have fax in your office, then you set the fax. Okay, so I'm going to set up later. Okay, fax is not set up. Remind me later. No. Okay, so here we go. So once you've done that, then you'll be able to see the LCD screen can copy, scan, and fax. So this LCD screen is touch screen. Whichever function, whatever you want to do. If you want to copy, then you select copy. If you want to scan, then you select scan or fax. Okay, so this is exactly how to set this printer up. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you, and stay blessed.